Most colossal fuck-ups can also happen. Sorry. Screw-ups.
Demonetize karega Ali mera channel.
I think sifting through it to find time with my wife, that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
I'm really fighting for that. Right now, on this spot where I'm not complaining, there's a lot of offers coming. But again, those scripts are not the best. I might be doing off-Broadway. So, yeah. I'm just happy to see you.
I know, I'm happy to see you too.
Okay.
Hi Ali.
Hi, Sister.
हम क्या फैंसी लोकेशन में मिले थे लास्ट टाइम कैन की सड़कों पर फ्रांस में.
Man, that was too overwhelming, yeah.
Tell me about it.
I literally saw 3 films. I felt stupid after a point.
But आप तो काम करने गए थे ना as a producer.
मतलब yeah, काम करने गए थे and then I didn't expect इतना होगा. Meetings, this, that, falana. Exciting, good. Not complaining.
Yeah.
But yeah, my first time, so I was pretty
So were
happy.
you a little bit like a deer in headlights? Like, तो your first
Yeah.
time and ऊपर से you've gone not as somebody who's only there to walk the red carpet, but as somebody who's there to like find a buyer for a film.
Well, kind of, because one of our financiers was there. We had to meet them for the first time.
Yeah.
And they also had films in competition. That other films that they had put money in. So yeah, we were there for that. Buyers for other projects that we are working upon. So
How fun. We will talk about your production house with Richa shortly. But firstly, how is Kandahar doing on Amazon Prime Video? Are you hearing from people all over the world?
yeah, man. Like so, ever since it's released on Indian Amazon, I'm been getting a lot of like insane amount of messages. Of course, that's the Prime effect, I suppose. So everybody's watching it.
Yeah.
It's been interesting. I mean, in a time when, and I'm talking world box office, you're not getting much to run. It's all the Little Mermaids and the Spider-Mans that are
IPs, basically.
Yeah,
IP films.
basically. Yeah, that's a good way to put it. Yeah. So suddenly this, and I think there was another Robert De Niro film. We were kind of going together, and it's playing. I think it has different release dates in different countries. So it's still going to go on. I think October is one of the last dates for releasing in.
In India, it has released opposite Adi Purush, so never mind that.
People can watch something on Prime.
Correct. और सब अलग-अलग फिल्में हैं दोनों अपने अपने टेस्ट के हिसाब से देखो जो देखनी है.
Totally different, yeah.
So on the surface of it, now speaking of totally different, on the surface of it, when you enter the film, it looks like it's your prototype American troops in Afghanistan kind of film. But as you get into it, you realize it's actually a contemplative narrative. It is ruminating on what war does to countries, and then on a more the personal level, what war does to people. And it takes a little while to get to that spot, but when you get to it, that's the message of the film. It's an anti-war film. It's about the futility of war. What was it about Kandahar that spoke to you when it first came to you?
Yeah, the business of war. And this is also was one of the few like collaborative efforts I've had.
Acha.
Because I spoke to Rick, I think during the pandemic. So the whole thing had gotten pushed. So this character that we tried to build evolved over that long a time. And he's all about team, so which was very interesting because I've worked with all kinds of directors, right? Some people are very sort of, sacrosanct about their words and script and
Stick to the written word.
Yeah.
But with Rick Roman War, it was more
we stuck to the word.
Yeah.
But before the movie began, there were endless conversations I had with him across the globe. And
about what? Politics and the state of affairs.
About the geopolitics, about where I'm coming in, why I'm coming in, what am I bringing to this, what is he bringing to this, or what does he want from it? Because he's also an English-speaking person, right? He's a director. Yes, he's done amazing stuff. But what I loved was that he wanted to know, because he wanted to be true to that particular area, right? How even our writer, La Fortune, like he's been there. He's been deployed
Yeah, he
there.
3 times.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So a lot of my training happened when I met him. Just knowing basics of the spy world. Then what dialects would be going in, right? What area, I mean, this is not, I spoke Pashto, but Pashto is not the largest spoken language. It is Dari. Dari is what Naveed is probably talking in. And then there's, of course, Urdu, and the larger arc of this character was half Indian, half Pakistani that we didn't end up exploring.
Right. Oh,
So,
interesting.
Yeah, it was very interesting. So he was playing like 3 sides and calling the shots with all these because he's understood that it has nothing to do with religion. This is literally different ideologies coming together to, matlab, sattabazi ho raha hai. It's business.
Your character is purely, exclusively doing it for the money. Like he just
Totally. Because he understands the futility of this.
Yeah.
You can't, I mean, I'd call that far more, God, sounds like tooting my own horn, but it's not me. I'd call that far more spiritual than in the name of.
Yeah, you know, and
Yeah.
that's the thing. Like, even though this is a Pakistani character, it's not the kind of Pakistani characters that we end up seeing in, at least in Indian cinema. There's no stereotyping here. He wakes up in the morning and he's like, मैं छुट्टी पर हूँ, मुझे नहीं जाना है, तुम क्यों मुझे भेज रहे हो on ground?
I mean, for a change, टोपी के बजाय helmet था.
हाँ, correct. Biking helmet था.
Yeah.
And when he is on ground, he's saying, मुझे London, Paris कहीं post कर दो, कहाँ मुझे भेज देते हो हर बार.
Yeah.
I thought that was funny, but also like that is where the rumination and the reflectiveness of the movie comes forth, because this is the observation of your writer who knows that these people in the field are not enjoying any of this. They want
They
to be
don't.
in London and Paris. They don't want to be in
I mean, that's
war
all
zones.
he knows what to do, right?
Yeah.
Or how to do. He's a hardened killer.
Yeah.
He's a ruthless killer. That's his job. It's in his blood. He's like, okay, send me to some cool place then to do this.
Correct.
You want this executed? Okay, I'll execute this.
But like, I want to like live a good life.
Yeah.
This is not. I'm not doing it for any ideologies.
कि वो एक थकान होती है ना. And if you see people there, वो एक थकान है. Like when we met also locals who had flown in.
Yeah.
And these are not like army guys or anything. Just regular people, you know, who
Yeah.
were actually from Afghanistan. अजीब सी एक, I don't know other word, but थकान comes to my mind. कि बस यार.
Would like.
हाँ, उनके चेहरों में भी by the way वो था कि तुम यार फिर से वो बना रहे हो. You know, are you going to make the same film? Some American will come and teach us how to
like
live.
yeah, like
you know.
they'll save us from ourselves.
You will gloss it
Yeah.
and you know.
Big movie star Gerard Butler and everything, but it's not that
It
film.
wasn't that. So, of course, one of the best anti-war films I've ever seen in my life, I can say now, is All Quiet on the Western
Western Front.
Western Front.
Yeah.
I haven't read the book, but
Yeah.
yeah, it was a great film. Yeah.
Talk to me about riding that bike. How much of you is under that helmet, or is that a stunt double
Actually,
for
a lot
Rafa?
of me, huh?
Percentage wise, how much? What is?
Say 70 is me.
I was watching a recent interview with Pedro Pascal, and he was talking about Mandalorian, and he's like, I got so lucky. I like a lot of the times it's not even me under the suit. I'm just dubbing the lines.
So literally hardcore, यार. तो वो तो उनका set ही नहीं था. It was a studio.
Yeah.
So Mandalorian was
Pedro Pascal. But like, how much of you is under that helmet?
I think about 70%, I'd say. Because I trained about 20-25 days before. I was the first one to land up amongst the actors
On set, huh?
on set. Solely because of this, because we weren't using any green screens, right? And there were long shots. So sometimes you would see me, sometimes you would not. Sometimes I had to whiz past camera very closely,
Yeah.
right? Or shots where I'm getting out of the van.
Yeah.
Just that one little bit where I
Yeah.
get out and have to do this little turn. I had to learn that. But those clips were very high. I couldn't do that.
Like getting out of the van and then
Getting out of the van is all me.
yeah.
That
Shot
part where I
you go up
the,
and
yeah.
you go down.
Yeah, that's on me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then from
That's
a distance,
dangerous.
yeah, that was hard because दूर से बहुत easy लगता है.
Yeah.
But when you go close, it's
Yeah.
steep and it's rocky. So actually, they're going like, I don't know how he did it.
Watching that shot, I was wondering if there's some Hollywood magic here that they've built a ramp that we
Nothing.
can't see.
No,
that
no.
wide shot.
No ramps, nothing. It was pure right there. So the harder part, because everybody knows how to bike. But the game changes when you're on sand because then it's all about balance. So it's this. At the end of like 10 minutes of biking, your arms are burning.
So were you like taking ice baths at the end of the day, and how did you take care of your body?
I actually was.
I ask the best questions. Please talk to me about taking ice baths at the end of the day. Like, what was the bruising like all over your body after that?
Just, my thumbs were jammed. Because
Jammed?
Jammed. Because this and this forearms.
Ah.
So its pain started here
Ah.
and it just went on to, so I had these, I think in some BTS videos I have my wraps around.
मतलब like Popeye arms कि यहाँ से यहाँ तक swelling हो रखी है और समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Swelling nahi, but it was really like, I think the tendon got a little screwed up.
Commitment. I love it. Did you have to audition for this part? Are you still doing self-recorded tapes and
Of
sending
course
them?
I auditioned for a lot of parts. This one was a very interesting story. Rick had called me on Skype the first time. This was I think in the first pandemic. And my agents told me, yeah, the director wants to have a chat with you and
No.
then he'll probably ask you to read something, record or whatever. We could do it from home. I said, okay, fine. I get on a Skype. It's a 15-minute scheduled Skype. It ends up being a 45 to 1 hour call.
Love.
And we're talking about everything else but the film.
Yeah.
Aisa dunya, life, where are you from, what is blah blah blah. Cut to, they call me back saying, it's done, you're in.
That's it.
Yeah, so I'm like, what the hell happened?
Line तो बुलवा लो, कोई
हाँ,
dialogue
कुछ
तो
बुलवा लो,
बोलो.
मैं
मैं करके दिखाऊंगा ना.
मैं रट के बैठा हुआ था. I was like, you know, and that's his style. So I saw him do that with others also.
Ah.
He sits you down, he maps you out. Skype पे शक्ल दिख रहा होगा मेरा, दिख रहा था, and he understands you. So he sees potential. He says, okay, I want you to bring what you can bring.
Takes a genius to understand a human being sitting in a computer screen like that and then be able to do like,
मतलब,
you are my guy.
या तो like the big most colossal fuck-ups can also happen. Sorry. Screw ups.
Demonetize karega Ali mera channel.
No, I mean.
But good now, good. It turned out great, turned out well. Talk to me about promoting this film because this is not your first rodeo promoting a big budget Hollywood film.
I think we did a lot of promotions outside. India, yes, there was less presence in promotions, but also because the India release was slated for September.
Oh, then?
It was brought back.
Why?
Because it was getting, I think, I don't know the full details, but it was...
ज़्यादा late हो रहा था.
ज़्यादा late हो जाता. It was getting good buzz. With me being in it, I suppose.
Yeah.
But it was very last minute. So actually, honestly, like the studios probably didn't have time.
Yeah, I honestly, like on a personal level, I found out that the film is releasing this Friday when I received the screener like 4 days ago. I'm like, what? This film is already out? Because I've been waiting for Kandahar for like 3 or 4 months since it first came on my radar that you were in this film with Gerard Butler.
Yeah.
And I'm an Ali Fazal fangirl. So like I've been waiting for like months. Anyway, I'm so glad that it turned out the way it did turned out. Now, talking about the rest of your, other work that you're doing, are you looking for more like mainstream titular parts where you are playing the hero, so to speak, or do you have like people around you like who are reading your scripts and being like, no, this is an ensemble film, but this is going to be good for you because this is a good part that you're doing, whether it is here or abroad?
No, that's not a part of the agenda.
It's not what you think about.
It's not how we approach it.
Karna hai.
Yeah, I think it's especially on the international side. I think it's the makers, the story, script. That's literally the first thing we go for. Some very, very exciting scripts have come where it's not the titular part. I'm very excited. In India, it's different because it's interesting to be able to lead some really cool stories. And maybe I'm privileged right now on this spot where I'm not complaining. There's a lot of offers coming. But again, those scripts are not the best. So...
No, it's not privilege. I mean, you've reached this point on your own. You've gotten to a point of, being an expert in your craft.
I'm all right. I mean, but yeah, there's still the struggle to find and zero down on that one thing because my time gets slashed now in half or whatever. And so whatever I pick here has to be satisfy me.
Yeah.
मैं बोर हो जाता हूँ अपने आप से.
Yeah.
At least, like, not that everything that I do has to be different. That's another thing I think a lot of actors, go through ki, oh, I should be very different from the last thing I did. It's okay if we're not different. It's okay to be, us only. After 7 parts.
But as long as you're not getting bored yourself of doing that, what you're doing.
What I can bring to the table.
Yeah.
So when a screenplay does that for you, then it's magic. Then it's like makhan, right? Because then something's nudging at you, right? Or a director, like, who can push you. There are times when, man, I've reached set as an actor, and every actor does this. We have a basic blueprint of the scene that we've just read, or we're just about to go in, right? And then somebody comes along and you see this whole new choreography.
Yeah.
You're like, wait, I didn't imagine it this way.
Yeah.
Shit, this will be fun.
Yeah.
It's not scary, it's fun. It's like, okay, let's play, buddy.
Yeah.
So like with Gerard in this one, sometimes like my final standoff.
It's such a good scene, dude.
And it's a quick one. It's not like,
it's such a good scene. Like, and it's so practical. Shoots you.
That's it.
I'm sorry, spoiler. I don't know at this point.
I shoot him too.
Yeah, and then then you pull out a first aid kit from your pocket in the middle of the field, and you're like bandaging yourself. It's like, this is
trained, na? Trained.
I said, this is so cool. Like, it's this character. I've not seen a character do this.
And that was actually La Fortune, all him. He literally came and shoved that thing under.
Like a killer like that would have a first aid kit under his armor.
Always. He's traveling with a van with his bike. He's loaded. He has his vapes. He has his Tinder on his phone.
I love it.
So, jugaad.
Yeah.
But I love that. I love when I'm pushed out of my comfort zone. I mean, I suppose everyone does. Maybe not. I don't know.
No, everybody does.
Great. Yeah.
Too much. You are now actively stepping into production as a businessman, business partner with your business wife. Gerard Butler produced this film also, right?
Yes,
Did you exchange notes on what it's like to produce movies? Did he teach you things?
No.
Short answer.
He was very gracious and generous when he came to, because he would end up obviously watching the dailies after shoot days, and that was very sweet of him, because he's also an actor, right? He doesn't have to come up to me and tell me, oh man, I saw the scene. This is
so
playing
discussing
actually well.
with you.
Discussing like, okay, you know, I want to see where this goes, or where you take it.
How nice.
So that was cool.
Have you become besties with him now also, like you're with Dame Judi Dench?
Yeah, he's really cool.
Ali has become besties
right?
with all these Hollywood types. I love
Like, I think if he sees this interview, then yeah, I'm gonna call you my bestie. That's the word we're going with.
Bestie Gerard. But you now production actually actively walking toward it in a major way, or is that going to be a side hustle while you continue to build a Hollywood career as well?
Yeah, I could call it a side one, or
As of right now.
As of right now, we're headed straight into it, guns blazing, if I can say, because we're just excited, and I think we can. It's not that ye kiya to ye kam ho jayega.
Yeah.
Matlab, it's not a tarazu. We can have 5 things happening.
Yeah.
But it's just compartmentalizing it the right way, and like I am finding that hard in my life. So we're literally going through that journey of how to figure this, because can I say this? I don't know if I can say this, but I might be doing off-Broadway. So yeah, so I'm really excited about that.
Girl, New York?
Yep.
I'm coming.
Yeah, you have to.
I'm coming because I'm going to be there. I'm going to be on the East Coast. I'm coming. You better keep 2 tickets for
I'm
me.
rehearsing in August. So yeah, but
एक ही दिल है, Ali, कितनी बार जीतेगा? So no, this is great. So listen, you're doing Bollywood, Hollywood.
Oh God.
You are producing. You are traveling the film festival circuit. You are now doing this thing that we may or may not be at the liberty to talk about in public right now. What does a typical day for you look like right now, dude? Like, you've got way too much, and you're newlyweds. Like, what does a day for you look like?
I think sifting through it to find time with my wife. That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
I'm really fighting for that. Yeah.
Do you get to like hang out and go on vacations at all, you and Richa?
Yeah, we've been trying to slip it in now, but it's hard. It is what it is. I can't. Yeah.
Tips on how to make it easier?
Man, I need tips. I really need tips.
मुझे बता दो.
Man, I'm not complaining, because yes, we've taken on.
These are all good problems to have.
Yeah. But that's the problem. See, they're good problems, but good problems can also make me want to complain, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, you want to
It's okay
vent
to-
sometimes.
Yeah, I want to whine, you know.
We'll whine about it offline.
I hope I get more time with her. She's again gone for a month, so I'll again follow her, maybe, hopefully, to wherever she is.
And then she'll follow you to the East Coast and it'll make
I know she's busy around then, so let's see. But
good
whatever.
for her. I love it.
These are good things.
How sad are you and how heartbroken are you that you're not doing Fukre?
I was sad for a bit, but
Have you made your peace with it?
I made my peace with it. Yeah. Those are hard decisions, I think, at the time. Felt really
Date
bad.
issues?
Date issues.
Like for real?
For real date issues, because I know the script by heart. I mean, inside out. We'd had readings also. We were shooting in April. We were to shoot in April of that year.
Whatever year that was in the
Yeah,
pandemic.
Yeah. And then it got delayed, and that's when I think it was a hard sort of thing to decide. Either it's going to be Mirzapur or Fukre. In the middle, there was Kandahar and Vishalji also slated. So
प्लेट आपकी फुल है. अभी आप मिर्जापुर कर रहे हैं, आप विशाल भारद्वाज की फिल्म कर रहे हैं. Are you at the liberty to talk about that at all?
yeah, we finished it, wrapped it.
It's done.
Yeah.
And when will it see release? Khufia?
I think that's a Netflix question. Maybe this year, definitely. I think September.
Oh, so it's not that far away?
No, it's not far away. It was supposed to be July, actually.
Oh.
Got delayed, I think. They have a huge roster of films, or
Netflix
whatever.
really does.
Netflix is, I think, doing well. So
That must be like an express film school experience, no? Being on that
Man.
Vishal Bhardwaj set.
amazing.
How long were you on the set with him?
So the shoot, the first Scared was literally before Kandahar, which was a month and a half, Delhi Valley. And then I came back because I have a different look in the film suddenly. That we shot in Canada and North America.
So it must be like learning how to make movies being on that set with him.
Yeah, man. So to matlab hai. He's
amazing.
He's something.
He's amazing.
Like his way of God, he'll be watching this. His way of working is very interesting. He puts in seeds which grow. Very interesting. Very different from others who come tell you कि भाई मुझे ये करना है या मुझे ये चाहिए. इसे तुम करो, but ये जो है ना तुम एक ये कर देना. And then last minute में आके उन्होंने just before action से अली वो जो मैंने करने को कहा था वो मत करना. but it's in my head. He's like, but dimag mein apne. So the whole scene's changed. The words haven't.
Wow.
You know?
I can't
So,
imagine what that is like.
Small example. I mean, I've been telling others also this very interesting example was same thing.
Yeah.
So,
Anything you've watched recently that you've liked and been like, shit, I wish I was a part of this?
Succession. Are you kidding me? That's the easiest answer.
What part would you like to do with
Dude, I'll
Succession?
pick any part. But
Anything they make you do, huh? But like, if you had to, if you got
okay, so all the others are author-backed, great roles,
Yeah.
right? I love Greg. And Tom. Both of them.
Yeah.
Tom and Greg are
Yeah.
very Shakespearean in my head.
They really are. Their dialogue is very most Shakespearean dialogue is between Tom and
They
Greg.
are the witches.
Yeah.
Or whatever you call them. The diggers or
Yeah.
I don't know. I picked Tom a long way back and then of course,
We know how it ended.
So-
Tom
so
is
I-
the king.
yeah.
Succession.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And last question. We've just spoken about how you're doing too many things for a human person to achieve
I
in
just-
24
okay,
hours.
huh.
Yeah. What?
Nini, I just had a thought that through this entire interview, I've had too many expressions and that bothered me.
Ah?
I don't know why.
What?
Sorry.
It's a
random.
good thing you're expressing.
Yeah, I don't know. Stupid, right?
Well, you're
Okay.
you're chill.
Yeah.
You're expressing yourself.
I think I don't know. I suddenly went in my head going, I'm too animated. Shut up.
I'm sorry. I brought
Sorry.
that out of you.
Okay, no,
I
that's good. That's great.
apologize.
Because I get excited, that's why. Yeah.
Henna, and this is a chill space, man.
Yeah,
It's a safe space. And
It
I'll
is.
ask you if I have to cut that portion out, I'll remove it also. Don't worry about it. Lastly, is there a wish list that you still have, a genre perhaps, or a filmmaker, or a co-actor, or a writer that you really are hoping that in the near future you'll get to do?
Oh man, I really want to work with Sriram sir in India. I don't know, there's something really cool about action. There's a discipline that I've recently found out. It's not the Mirzapur kind of stuff.
Yeah.
It was very sleek. But good drama, Like imagine we haven't had a love story, man.
No.
Everything
A
has
good one. We've had many love stories. We haven't had a
we've
good
had,
love story in a
But
while.
सबका एक agenda होता है ना
हाँ.
कि this happened, therefore
Yeah.
the next scene. Like good scenes, just writing, right? Like marriage story.
Yeah.
I thought it was, and those emotions belong, man. We have them.
It's real. It's too real.
Every household will have.
It's too
versions.
real.
It's too real. Or Revolutionary Road.
Mm.
Like
And the Palme d'Or winner at the fest at Cannes, Anatomy of a Fall. It's so good.
Dude,
It's
I wanna
so
watch that.
good.
I
It's
wanna
so
watch
good. And you'll forget Marriage Story. It's that good. It's also
Really?
about a married couple. Oof. If you get the chance to watch it, it won the Palme d'Or. You should watch it.
oh nice.
So here's hoping you get to do that romantic film soon, and here's also hoping that you get to work with Sriram Raghavan and do one big drama. Maybe it'll all be him only doing it.
Yeah. who
Drama and romance together. Amazing. I'm sorry I made you give out so many expressions in this interview.
No, like,
I think
imagine-
it's a good thing.
No. It's like this thought that me and my writer the other day had was, yeah, what if one day मतलब आप खर्च हो गए? Like one day you land up and it's nothing left. You're a blank.
हाय तू
Right?
20 minutes में
Isn't
खर्च हो
that-
गया.
No, but I'm saying, isn't that the biggest fear of like a writer, actor, कि your drain,
Yeah.
it's gone one day.
Can we get him some coffee? Like खर्च हो गया Ali. Let's refresh him a little bit.
No. This is the first one today. I don't mean that. Yeah. I
You're
love you.
amazing, and I love you, and thank you, and I love your wife, and I love everything that you guys do.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time today.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yay! Bye. Bye.